Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine insert feature number 10, break, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on insert and hover over break, the following options appear. The first one is page break. When I click on this option, a new page is created in my Google Doc. The option below page break is column break. This option only functions if multiple columns exist in a Google Doc. Below column break is section break next page. When I click on this option, a new section is created on a new page in my Google Doc. Finally, under section break next page is section break continuous. When I click on this option, my cursor creates a new section within the Google Doc on the same page. This becomes evident when I click the undo button. As can be seen, my cursor moved back one line since I had created a section break on the same page. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.